Hey, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to develops.ai. So, in this video, we are going to configure your workspace, Google Workspace for IT admins. So, it is a challenging lab. So, if you're new to this channel, please make sure that please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on develops.ai, guys. So, guys, I am getting more views, but not yet subscribers. So, it doesn't make a sense because I'm finding more solution on cloud solution as well as AI. So, subscribe my channel for more cloud solution as well as AI. So, let me move to our lab, guys. So just copy your username, email username here and open the console in Windows mode. So follow the step, each step very carefully, guys. So our lab will be completed very easily. So paste your email here and click on next here and come back and copy your password, guys. And just come back here and paste your password here and click on next here. And then let me move. So click on I understand here. So now for terms and conditions, so click on accept the terms and conditions, guys. So let me move to our lab, guys. So let me move back to our lab and click on task number one. So in our task number, update the record organization profile and preferences. So just come back, guys. So in this, first we need to verify our domain. So click on this verify domain here. So wait for a few seconds, it may get low here. So now, guys, click on get started here. So in this, you must check my domain uses a different host here and click on continue. So after this, below this you can see this, you can check here, come back here and confirm once you have updated the code on your domain host. So make sure that check this and click confirm here. So guys, here nothing to be done here. So our one of the part has been completed of verifying the domain. So just come back, guys. So just refresh your admin console here. So our console will look like this without any to verify the domain or nothing. So just come back, guys. Now let me move for task number one. So just copy this symbol finance here. So just copy this and just come back, guys. At the hamburger, click on this menu here at the left side. So click on this show more. So below this you can see your account. So click on this account. So below this account, click on this account settings. So in the account settings you can see the profile and preferences are there. So click on this profile here. So you must change the name here. So at the name, at the right side you can see the pencil icon here. Click on this and make sure that select all and delete this and paste the symbol financer and click on save here. So our symbol finance will be saved as a name here. And the next is, so just come back once again here for account settings and then let me move for preferences. So click on this preferences. So here for new products, click on this pencil icon for this new products and turn off when released. So click on save here. So our one of the task number one has been successfully completed. So let me move back and let me check the progress on task number one. So click on this check my progress here. So our task number one has been successfully completed, guys. Let me move for task number two. So in this we need to create a group. So copy this operating team here named as operating team. Copy this and just come back here. At the above this there is a directory here. Click on the directory. There is a users groups, target audiences, organization units, etc. So here click on these groups, guys. So you look your user interface will look like this. So click on your create group here. So after this paste this operating theme here, and for email group email, so paste the same name and make sure that don't give it any gap here. So cover the gap here. So after this, wait for a few seconds, guys. The email may take time here for loading here. So guys, our email has been approved here, so we can click on next here. So in this next section, guys, for access settings, in this access settings you can see at the task, the next step of second step you can see public. So make sure that click this for announcement only and then uncheck this entire organization board, and then after this click only invited users only and click on next here. So after this you can see here nothing to be changed here. So click on create group. After creating the group, so click on here done. Okay, wait for okay, done. Click on done here. So our group will be created, guys, here. So just come back here and let me check our progress of task number two. So in this task number two we have been successfully completed this step, guys. So let me move on task number three. So in this we need to create a shared resources, create a calendar room. general resource and name, so head office, so just for building. So just come back here guys. So below this organization unit you can see building sales and resources. Click on this and click on overview here. So in this overview you can see this management etc here. So click on this manage resources here, and you can see this add building here. Click on this add building. So click on this add building here and just come back here and copy your head office here and just paste it here. And then at the floors you must give as a capital G. So give a floors as a capital G, and click on add building here. So our one of the step for add building has been completed. Let me move for resources. In the resources category, so just come back here. So see, you may get this type of red mark, red notification that address not set here. So guys, just come back here. So in the directory, click again once again resources. Click on these resources, manage resources. So guys, you can see here, click on this plus icon guys here. So click on this plus icon, so you can now it is asking for resource name here. So make sure that head office and floors G and meeting space room and everything is right in right condition. So come back here and then come back here resources. So resources name is meeting room. Copy this meeting room and then just paste it here. And after that, for capacity must be 12. So at the next here 12, type here 12, and then click on add resource here. So after adding the resource here, so our resource will be done here. So at the next step for resource future, so just come back here. You can see this icon beside the download icon here. Download all. Beside this there is a manage resource future that you can see here. Click on this and then click on add feature here. So here copy the feature name here. So feature name is whiteboard here. Just copy this and then paste it here, and the future type must be other only. So click on save this. So after saving this, so our resource has been created. So we close this, and after that, so there is another step, and follow this step very carefully. So in this, click on this meeting room. So our meeting room details will be opened here. In the futures section, you can click on this arrow mark here. So it will open here, and in the search futures, click on whiteboard and then click on save here. So this step is very crucial step. So most of them will be missing here only. So make sure that follow this step very carefully. So after that, so click on here check my progress guys. The next step is to check our progress at task number 3. So our task has been successfully completed of task number 3. So let me move for task number 4. So at task number 4 we need to create an organizational unit structure and configure access for Google Vault. So now guys, copy the users. So we need to create a user, two users here. So copy the Jamie and just come back here. So click on the directory, and below directory there is a users. Click on this users. So click on this add new user here. So paste your name here and just copy the last name also Jim, and then paste it here. And after that guys, make sure that click on this manage users password organization unit and profile photo. Click on this. So you can see this organization unit is in Google Workspace lab. So click on this guys. So just refresh once guys here. So our Workspace lab must be created like this. So just copy the first name here and then paste it here. And after that, so copy the Jim here. So paste it here, and after that click on this details here. So our Workspace lab is not opening yet, so we could directly upload for operation unit which have been created in the groups here section of task number 2. So no, we can solve in another step also. So just let me create new user here. So now guys, click on this add another guys, add another user, and just come back here and copy the another first name here, LSE, and paste it here. And next copy the brick here. So copy this and then paste for last name here. So now guys, so you again there is a problem here for selecting the organization unit. So no need guys, we can directly upload towards another step also. Click on add new user here. So our two users has been created, and you can see in the users page also guys. So click on done here. So click on done here. So you can see here, just refresh here. So two new users will be added here. Click once again here. So finally guys, two new users is added here. So make sure that click these both users and click on this more options and click on this change organization unit. So at task number 2 we have been created the so we have been not created, I think, the groups or something. So okay guys, just come back here. So we need to create an here organization unit here. So make sure that create an organization unit here. So just copy this and copy this operating unit here. Copy this and then just paste it here and click on create here. So we are creating the organization unit. So under this we'll be getting we are going to upload our users, yes, under this. So just select this both users here and then click on more options, click on change organization unit here. So you can say operating unit here, click on continue. So click on change here. So we have been added for the what operating unit here for both of them. So refresh once guys. So it will be uploaded there directly towards operating unit only. So refresh once guys, it may load, it may take time for uploading there. So you can see in operating unit we have been uploaded here. So next, at the next step, copy the Google Wallet here. Copy this Google Wallet here. So paste it here and click on enter. Click on this first Google Vault here. So in the service status, it is in on condition. So let me off for everyone and click on save here. So at the next step guys, so make sure that in this operating unit, click on this operating unit. So click on here and click on override here. So click on turn on. So make sure that in this two step you must first off the for everyone and then on in service status for operating unit. So after that, so let me check out progress in this step guys of task number 4. So our task number 4 has been successfully completed guys. Let me move for task number 5. So right click on this your lab account, open it in inverter mode. So just come back guys. So here we need to recovery our account. So click on the security. So under the security you can see the recovery email. So click on this. So guys, please enter your password. So just come back here and copy your password and then paste it here if it asks. So our recovery email has been opened. So just enter your current email address. So don't fake your email address. So you are going to receive the the password, OTP password, so that to verify account and then only we could check our progress there. So just type your current account name here. Okay, gmail.com. So this is my email. So I will click on verify. So I'll get a verification code here. So my code, I'm going to enter the code here. So this is my code here and I'll click on verify here. So my email has been verified here. So let me come back and check our progress here. So finally guys, let me see. So finally guys, our step has been successfully completed of every step of every task guys. So let us end this lab. So before ending this lab, please make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai guys. So let me meet on this next video guys. Thank you guys.